Can you really make dinner in 5 minutes without resorting to a microwavable meal? The answer is that it is possible. Cooking becomes a lot faster and simpler if you do a little meal prep at the beginning of the week and have basic essentials on hand like cooked rice and pasta, chicken, fish, and chopped vegetables. Here are some 5-minute supper recipes that demonstrate that cooking doesn't have to be a hassle and that you can genuinely enjoy something you cooked yourself. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and before we begin the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Number 7. 3-ingredient stir fry. Heat a pan with a little oil over medium heat to prepare this simple yet hearty supper. Take as much tofu or fully cooked meat as you desire, such as rotisserie chicken, and combine it with your favorite vegetables and sauce with teriyaki, sweet and sour, or sesame ginger. Serve over a bed of leftover or minute rice to save on ordering takeout. Prepare the meat ahead of time so that this recipe only takes 5 minutes or less. Number 6. English muffin pizza. Take any kind of bread, French bread, a bagel, or an English muffin are the most common. Pour on some tomato sauce and top with any cheese or toppings you choose. Place it in the oven to melt the cheese. Perhaps another day, pizza delivery man. Number 5. Fancy ramen. Cook some bouillon or broth and add leftover spaghetti, cooked noodles from the dining hall, or even quick stuffed-up ramen. Enjoy a fancier, non-microwavable version of ramen by adding whatever vegetables and protein you desire. What's in that microwave? Number 4. Hummus bowl. A hummus bowl is exactly what it sounds like. Spread some hummus on the bottom of the bowl and top with whichever toppings you choose. Cucumbers, chicken, and plain yogurt are favorite toppings. Don't forget to toast some pita bread for the best dipping. Number 3. Cheesy eggs in a skillet. We should all work together to dispel the breakfast food stereotype associated with eggs. Eggs are high in protein and make an excellent meal before a long night of studying. To prepare an egg skillet, saute your desired vegetables and slash or sausage over medium heat. Then form 3 wells and break your eggs into the wells. Season the eggs with your preferred seasoning combination and sprinkle with cheese. Finally, remove the pan from the heat and cover it with a plate. Allow the pan to rest for 3 to 4 minutes. You now have a skillet that looks like it came from a posh late-night brunch spot. Number 2. Spicy quesadilla. Quesadillas are a basic 2-ingredient dish. You just need a tortilla and some cheese. Over medium heat with your cheese sandwiched between 2 tortillas or 1 tortilla folded in half. Cook until the cheese melts and the tortilla crisps up. Season it with taco spice and serve it with salsa and slash or guacamole. Number 1. Cauliflower fried rice. Cauliflower rice is carb-free and satisfying enough that you won't miss the real thing. We make it the same way we make ordinary fried rice. Just heat a skillet with oil over medium heat. Saute my rice with various vegetables, fresh or frozen, then top with store-bought teriyaki sauce. It's so easy that you'll want to toss those takeaway menus in the trash. Grate the cauliflower ahead of time so it just takes 5 minutes to prepare when you're ready to eat. This is all from today's video. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe.